Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Jack's Kicks. Today we have an unboxing for the Maniere Air Jordan 5 Dawns. I get both of the pairs mixed up, so I think they're the Dawn pair. I got a W on both pairs, the black and obviously the white pair, so I'm very excited for this, and we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys right now. I'm about to do an unboxing. Well, I had an unboxing for this, but then something happened to the video, so I actually have a video dropping soon on the Supreme piece and bordered work jacket as well, so expect that to be up soon. But anyways, as you guys can see here, here's the box, the inside of the box as well. Size 14, which is my true to size. And yeah, these have to be widely available. For me to get a W on literally both pairs, yeah, that lets me know that these were definitely widely available. And man, here they are, man. So we're gonna take a look at them in just a sec. Here is the rest of the box as well. Just want you guys to see what it looks like and everything. And like I said, I will be improving the lighting very, very soon. So that's coming soon. But here they are. Here are the shoes. And wow. So these are, I've actually heard, like I said, I don't really look at unboxings until I unbox the shoe myself because I don't want to be spoiled of anything. I want you guys to see my actual reaction of the shoe. And I've heard that the shoe in hand is like a gray. And I see it. I can see why it's like a little bit of a grayish colorway. Gray with the white and stuff. So it's actually pretty cool, you know? Overall, the shoe looks really nice. Nice quality in hand. I like the 23 stitching on it as well, as you guys can see here. There's the shoe. Got the aged outsole. Really cool as well. So that's actually really nice because of this, you know, once you wear them a lot and they age, hey, these shoes are gonna age perfectly with that. So we get laces. So we have the normal gray laces, the light gray laces, as you guys can see. We get the sail laces, and we also get some absolutely white pair of laces right here. So cool. We got the Maniere logo on the inside of the shoe for the sock liner. There's what the inside looks like, and as well as the midsole as well. And as you guys can see there, you guys can see the pattern there. Really cool, man. Dang. I actually like this pair a lot. Now I'm still on the fence of, I don't know which one I like more. Like I said, the black pair still haven't shipped out yet. So whenever they do ship out, once I get them in hand, I'll be able to tell you guys on that unboxing which shoe I like better. I kind of want to say I like the black pair more, just because I don't know. There's just something about it, like wearing that with, I don't know. I can't. I have to see it in hand first. But in my opinion, I think I might like the black one more. I have to see though. But this one is definitely a close favorite of mine. Like, I really like this one a lot. And my streak continues. So far, I have every single Maniere Jordan shoe, except for, well, the airships, the blue airships. I do want to get those. I do want to get those blue airships. Other than that, when it comes to Jordans, though, I have every single Jordan one. So that's really cool. But here's the other shoe as well. Got the Nike on the bottom, as you guys can see here, with the Jumpman logo right here as well. I also forgot to mention, on the shoe, there's also the Maniere logo on the tongue as well for the left shoe. And for the right shoe, it just shows the regular Jordan logo as well. Just wanted to let you guys know that. I like to make sure that you guys know all about the details that's on each shoe and everything that I have on the channel to keep you guys informed. And yes, the Maniere logo is also throughout the middle as well. You guys can see, I know the lighting's a little bit crazy, but yeah, so overall, decent shoe. Let's get right back into unboxing. Got your lace locks right here. It's like a transparent lace lock and has the little aged look as well on it. Really nice. Got the Maniere in the inside as well. Really nice pair of shoes. So I probably won't wear it this year. Like, I'm not the type of guy to like just instantly throw on shoes right away. Like, there's still a whole bunch of shoes I have not even worn yet. I haven't worn my Palominos yet, my Supreme SBs yet, the UNC toes, and my DJ Khaled's. I haven't even worn the Cell ones yet. I still gotta wear a couple of my shoes. It's just if I don't feel the need to wear them right away, I just don't. But I probably will wear these next month, you know, start off the new year. Why not throw these on for the new year? So I'll definitely get some wears out of these. So far I've worn all my Maniere shoes, so these will definitely be laced up very, very soon. I'm not too sure what laces I will use yet either. Maybe I'll stick with the Sail. I'll have to see. Or maybe I'll go with the all white. I have to mess around with them. But overall, it's a really nice shoe quality-wise. Quality-wise is all right. Quality-wise, it's all right. You do see some glue stains, you know, some things hanging out and stuff. But other than that, it seems pretty cool. Nice little suede here as well. Seems like really nice. Oh, here's the air bubble as well. Does the, I believe for the air bubble on the black pair, I think it actually has Maniere on it, or it's sale. I can't remember. I have to see, but we'll see when I get that in hand. Here's the Nike Air on the back as well. Really nice pair, man, as you guys can see here. Yo, but let me know in the comment section down below which one is your favorite between, you know, the sale or white one, I should say, or the black one. Let me know in the comment section down below. I definitely want to know. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel for more. I'll have a lot more unboxings coming your way. And once I get all the shoes that I really want for, I think I might have a few more pickups after this, after the Manieres, we'll see. But I definitely want to make a video on my top pickups for the year 2023. I think that'll be a lot of fun. But yeah, this is the shoe right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And subscribe to the channel for more. Alright, I'll see you guys next one. I'm signing out. Peace.